When Willow, the mother of the 5 cheetah cubs born via a C-section, passed away only a few days after giving birth, the Cincinnati Zoo called in a special friend to help. Blakely, the resident nursery dog, is now busy at work, snuggling with the babies to keep them comfortable. Since they were pulled away from their mother, these little guys are much more at risk than other baby cheetahs. The Australian Shepherd was brought in to help, and his patients look pretty happy about it. Blakely's first job is to let the cubs climb all over him, and if you've ever babysat, you know what an exhausting job that can be. This allows the little ones to build muscle tone and keeps their fragile digestive systems moving, which is important for development. As they grow, Blakely will go from furry jungle gym to role model and teach the cubs survival skills. Sounds weird, cheetah cubs learning from a dog? But he's already played nanny to other animals at the zoo, like Dale, a baby tucken whose mother ignored him, and another cheetah, Savannah, who he taught how to tell the difference between a playful bite and a fight starter. For now, he has his paws full with the 3 boys and 2 girls who will remain in the nursery for 8 to 12 weeks, and that'll be just before the students can outrun the teacher. I'm Keleigh Nealon for Buzz 60. Now you know, pass it on.